Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on your DREAME TV. First of all, if your screen flickering issue appears when you are using an external HDMI connected device, then first try plugging it into another HDMI port and then switch to that other HDMI port by pressing the sources button on your remote control and selecting it from the sources list. And if this won't help you, then unplug both your TV and your HDMI device from the power outlet. Let them stay like this for about 2 minutes, then plug them both back in and let both of them restart, and then try using your HDMI device once again. If this won't help you, then let's check for software cause of this issue. So let me switch to my HDMI device and let me wait until it's turned on. Oh no, I'm gonna have to enable it manually. And then we're gonna have to press the gear button on the remote control to access quick settings menu. Next, we're gonna have to go to picture settings. And now to fix a screen flickering, let's first try to adjust the brightness. So manually decrease the brightness or try to adjust it when there is no flickering on your screen. You can also try to adjust your backlight level for this purpose. Now, if you have a gaming console connected to your TV, then try enabling game mode. Do not use energy saving mode because it will most probably cause your device's screen to flicker. And if this won't help you, then let's also disable features like MEMC on your TV, which you can find in advanced picture settings. So just scroll down to advanced settings in picture settings and find features like MEMC. If it's a gaming console, then this feature you'll be able to find this feature in game mode. If you have ALLM enabled, then in the game mode the MEMC will be automatically set to 0. But otherwise, if you have it disabled, then you'll be able to adjust MEMC in this menu, and make sure to turn this feature off because it may cause flickering on your screen. If the flickering still isn't gone, we can also disable 120 Hz high refresh mode because this mode simply may cause some refresh rate mismatch. So try enabling or disabling it. And if the issue is still there, then let's try to clear the cache on our device. To do that, press the gear button once again to access quick settings menu, and go to all settings and scroll down to system menu in here. In system menu, scroll down to storage and select free up storage and select clear cache option. Now, if you've been using your device for a while and didn't free up storage again before, then you'll probably have a lot of cached data. So select clear cache and then OK, and then either restart your TV or, even better, update the software. So check for the software update by going to About section, System Update, and make sure that your TV is connected to the internet and let it check for available updates. And if it finds any updates, then let it download and install the latest software version and then restart your TV. Otherwise, just scroll down to the bottom of the system menu and select restart right here. And after the restart, the problem should be gone. And that's pretty much it. So these are all the troubleshooting steps I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.